Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G21, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector. One is provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you could just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you got either the paper clip or your little pin right here, you want to find the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone right here. Push the pin in and the tray pops out. Once you take out the tray, you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So you can occupy all of these trays or whichever ones you want. I'm gonna use the first 2 from the edge and then carefully insert back the tray. Now you want to do it carefully because there's nothing really holding those cards in place. They can just kind of like pop out when you're putting them in. There we go. And the cards should start working immediately. As you can see, SIM card is already being recognized. It's telling me to confirm the pin for it. So I'm going to quickly do that. And SD card is working as well, as you can see right here. So that is how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.